Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to implement how to set up a bottom tab navigation in React Native. So if you are new in this channel, then please subscribe my channel. So let's get started. So first of all, I have initialized one project that name is React Navigation example, and I have already installed these libraries. You can see in package.json these libraries, mask view and gesture handler, and this whole library you can get from this website React Navigation. In this version tab, go to in 4.0 version, and there is this yarn tab, and in this yarn tab you can copy this command, and another one is in yarn tab, copy also this command, then paste in your this command prompt and install all libraries. Then after, restart your metro and run your project. So in this project there is a app file, app.js file. Okay, and in this file we just connect another file that name is auth app container. This file contain in src folder, in router file, and in this router file we write a code for bottom tab navigation. So this router file contain a create app container, and this contain my bottom tab navigator, and this my bottom tab navigator contains a create bottom tab navigator which from React Navigation tab library. Okay, and in this create bottom tab navigation, basically we have two tabs in bottom bar. So that name is home and setting, and this home screen contains a home class, and setting screen contains a setting class. Okay, and this home file have this code, and let's copy this code also in setting file. There is a blank file for this settings. Just copy here and change class name. Okay, and now you can see, okay, we smoothly navigate to another screen. Okay, and another thing is navigation options in this bottom tab navigator. Their tab label is home, and if we need to show any image, then we can write here code for image source required. There is two image in this home png and home.png, and another is setting.png. Okay, and I have already downloaded these images and give them a style like height 20 and width also 20. Just copy this and paste here also in this setting tab. Okay, let's see in emulator what happened here. Refresh this screen. Okay, after refreshing the screen, you can see in emulator there is two tabs, home and setting. After press on home, there is background brown, and in setting there is background like maroon. So here is the code. If you need this code, then please comment on my video, I will share this code. If any issues, then also comment. Thank you for watching this video. If you are is new in this channel, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.